comprehensive comparison. Futons are a versatile and space-saving furniture option, perfect for small apartments, guest rooms, or multifunctional living spaces. With the ability to transition from a sofa to a bed, futons offer practicality without sacrificing comfort. Our review focuses on 5 futon models ranging in price from List 1. The Max Yo-Yo Folding Sofa Bed is a budget-friendly option that combines functionality and comfort in a compact design. Featuring a foldable structure, it easily transitions between a sofa and a single-person bed, making it ideal for small living spaces or guest rooms. The inclusion of a headrest and lumbar pillow enhances comfort, while the shredded foam filling provides personalized support. Its corded fabric adds a touch of elegance, and its lightweight frame makes it easy to move around. During testing, the Max Yo-Yo Folding Sofa Bed performed well for short-term use, such as lounging or accommodating guests overnight. However, its relatively low height, 15.7 inches, may not appeal to taller users, and the foam filling, while supportive, lacks the plushness of higher-end models. The vacuum-sealed packaging requires 48 hours for full expansion, which may be inconvenient for immediate use. Despite these minor drawbacks, it offers excellent value for its price point. List 2. The Max Yo-Yo 6-inch futon mattress is a versatile option designed for those who prefer a traditional futon mattress without a frame. Its thick, corded fabric provides durability and a stylish appearance, while the tufted design ensures the internal filling stays in place for long-term use. Measuring 80 by 60 inches, this queen-size futon offers ample space for sleeping or lounging. It is vacuum-sealed for shipping, requiring 48 hours to fully expand. While the Max Yo-Yo futon mattress offers comfort and durability, it lacks the portability and adjustability of other models in this comparison. As it does not include a frame, users will need to purchase one separately or use it directly on the floor. The shredded foam filling provides adequate support, but may not be suitable for users who prefer firmer mattresses. Overall, it is a solid choice for those seeking a standalone mattress at a reasonable price. List 3. The Marseille Futon Sofa Bed is a mid-range option that emphasizes customizability and versatility. It features a split-back design with 3 adjustable positions, 105 degrees, 160 degrees, and 180 degrees, and armrests with 5 angles, allowing users to tailor their seating or sleeping experience. Wrapped in soft corduroy fabric, it offers a vintage aesthetic and a comfortable feel. The sturdy wooden frame and solid wood legs support up to 500 pounds, making it suitable for 2 users. In testing, the Marseille Futon Sofa Bed excelled in adjustability, making it a great choice for users who value flexibility. Its corduroy fabric is soft to the touch and easy to clean, though it may not appeal to those who prefer modern upholstery like linen. Assembly is straightforward and takes about 15 minutes, but the vacuum-packed cushions require up to 72 hours to regain their full shape. While its compact dimensions make it ideal for small spaces, the limited seating depth may not suit taller individuals. List number. The Aliexpress Futon Sofa Bed is the premium option in this comparison, offering a sleek and modern design with a black linen finish. Its split-back technology allows for 3 adjustable positions, 120 degrees, 160 degrees, and 180 degrees, making it suitable for lounging, reading, or sleeping. The Certipur_US certified memory foam cushions provide pressure-relieving support, while the sturdy wooden frame and 6 metal legs ensure durability and stability. With a weight capacity of 600 pounds, it accommodates 2 users comfortably. This futon impressed during testing with its combination of comfort and aesthetics. The memory foam cushions offer excellent support for extended use, and the breathable linen fabric adds a touch of sophistication. Assembly is quick and straightforward, taking only 15 minutes. However, its higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, and its minimalist design may not suit users looking for a more traditional futon style. Overall, it is an excellent choice for those seeking a stylish and durable futon. List 5. The Colimi Futon Sofa Bed is a compact and functional option designed for small spaces. It features an adjustable backrest with 3 reclining positions, 110 degrees, 145 degrees, and 180 degrees, and removable armrests that double as pillows. Built-in cup holders add convenience, making it ideal for lounging or movie nights. The soft fabric upholstery is breathable and comfortable, while its metal legs provide stability and a modern aesthetic. While the Kalami futon sofa bed offers several unique features such as cup holders and removable armrests, its performance is somewhat limited. The plush cushioning may not provide adequate support for extended use, and its smaller dimensions are best suited for single users or short-term guest accommodations. Assembly is straightforward, but the overall build quality feels less robust compared to higher-priced models. Despite these shortcomings, it is a good choice for those seeking a budget-friendly futon with added functionality.